Hey, this is Michael from Schwarzmann. I'm going to show you how to do an online kitchen design and many more things to come. Please follow us and subscribe our channel. Looking forward. Hello, this is Michael from Schwarzmann Kitchens in West Palm Beach, Florida. I want to make this video today as an introduction to our online consultation and design services. Due to recent events with the coronavirus, we all have to sacrifice in our social lives and contacts, of course. And we want to try to make this a little easier for our clients and our projects going on. We're tending to move to online consultations quite massively. This is nothing new for our company. When our company first started in 2012 in Munich, Germany, actually, we were working exclusively remotely and worked for clients in the entire world in different countries, Switzerland, USA, Canada, Guatemala. So we really, from the get-go, started to use software that was able to work step by step. We work with a very sophisticated CAD software system, and we're able to generate very nice and photorealistic renderings. So you really feel like you don't even have to leave your house. So I want to walk you through a couple of steps here, what we can do to really remain the level of your safety to the highest and give you the best comfort quality as well. So it's really a 5-step process. It starts with the first one. You give us a call or send us an email, and we briefly talk about your project. We go over if you have first architectural plans or other information already. Then comes the second step. We basically schedule a time, first online consultation via Skype, FaceTime, or Zoom, where we really walk you through, take you from your house virtually to our showroom, and walk you through our showroom, show you different cabinets, function, different materials, of course, appliances, countertops, wall materials, floor materials. Really kind of figure out a first guideline of what your needs are, what your future part of the home will look like. If you have, and you can already provide us with drawings, that's fantastic. Usually, maybe you have already your flyer from your new house with some measurements inside, or you have a architectural plan with rough measurements, or a very detailed architectural plan from your architect directly. We're able to work also with all digital formats, PDFs, DXFs, DWGs. So we really are in tune with all these software standards. After that first initial consultation, of course, we provide you with our architectural sample box, which I want to talk to you about right now. Because it's very difficult to see these things only virtually and on a picture, it's always better to have a living sample in your hands. So this is our sample box. It's a very rugged Pelican case that we can drop off right at your door. It comes with different samples of our materials that we can, of course, adjust to your needs. And you can easily take these out and compare them with other things in your house and feel them. And actually the benefit of this is that you have the physical materials already in your house. So especially when it comes to daylight, this is a much better indicator for color proofing and matching it to your house that I cannot even give you at our showroom. So this is the big box. We can also send you smaller samples that are compact, fit in a UPS bag, overnight if you, or even have smaller swaps if necessary for our laminates as well, to give you a really nice wide range of materials right in your house. Then the next step is that we really start the design and planning process. We, like I said, utilize the best software on the market. give you a true photorealistic presentation. That means we have usually 1, 2, or 3 revisions to really get it to the point where you like what you see. Try different materials, different flooring, different walls, different lighting inside the place, and really give you a rendering that looks like the real deal. And that's basically it. If you're then going to the next step, to the last 5th step, we create a detailed proposal for you. Gather together all the information on pricing for appliances, countertops, and lights and things, other things that you might need, accessories. So that's really it in a nutshell. We'd love to talk to you, and we're ready, and we're always here for you, and looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much. Have a good day and stay safe, please. Thank you for watching our video on our online consultation services. We're looking forward to seeing you soon. Make sure to subscribe for more videos to come, and be sure to follow my other channel, God of Kitchens. Thank you. Looking forward to see you. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.